Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You need 3 essentials: a funded brokerage, basic tax info, and immediate first trades. Open an account that fits your goals, complete ID and tax forms, then fund it. Once done, choose 1 or 2 broad ETFs or blue-chip stocks to reduce single company risk. Place limit orders rather than market orders to control entry price, and set a small initial position. This gets you trading experience without large downside. Now you move from setup to disciplined execution. Learn and use order types. Limit for price control, stop loss to cap losses, trailing stop to protect gains. Once comfortable, automate buys via dollar cost averaging, schedule recurring purchases to smooth volatility. Next, monitor cost basis, dividends, and percent returns, log trades and fees so you can calculate net performance. Make small adjustments based on goals and finish by turning habit into a plan. Scale positions gradually as savings and comfort grow. Prefer buying with cash and avoid margin until proficient. Rebalance every 6-12 months to maintain your target allocation, and use dividends and new deposits to rebalance tax efficiently. If performance lags, troubleshoot. Confirm you're not paying high fees, review tax forms like Form 1099 for surprises, and check if emotional trades eroded returns. Fix that with rules and automation. Make sure to learn from each mistake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.